Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing P.O. and T.O. Mod's birthday. Queen cheated. Okay, what did Queen do now? Happy birthday, Mod.
This is P.O. I had to run up here because I told Mod to come to the house first before we go out, but I didn't come straight home because I wanted to pick up his. And so I had to run because he's on his way too, and I see him pulling up right now. So, listen. I didn't know what to get this kid. He's such a simple guy, but I want to show him I appreciate him and I believe in him. So I went thoughtful, guys. I just hope I made the right choice. I hope that he likes it. I was supposed to be ready. I'm still in my workout clothes from earlier. Oh, I gotta take a shot.
Okay, P.O. Okay, Lee, working out. I see you, girl. Go, girl. Do it. And that's nice. She got him a thoughtful gift. You actually really have to know someone to give them something personal and special. Yay.
I gotta get ready. He's off flea. I see him walking. Okay, my bro. So it's gonna be rush, but he's coming in the house because he has to go to my house. But all right, let's go see him.
Okay, see, he's so close. They got close to each other's house. Okay, all right. What do you think Patty got on? I should just call him by his name, huh? It's his birthday. Mod. All right, Mod.
I'm scared to give him the gift. I hope he loves it. Hope he gets to use it. But you know what? If not, I'll take it back. But yes, stay tuned. Is that my bro down there? Yeah. Is that the birthday boy? Yeah. Okay. Look at the drip, guys. Happy birthday to you.
Song. She loves you for real, Mod.
Okay.
You know?
Happy birthday.
You see the details on the tongue, you know? The low tops don't got that. The low tops don't got that, Lee. They don't got the red tongue, so that's why I have to do the high top.
I'm trying to sing happy birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday, dear my brother, M.O.D. D.A.G.O.D. Never heard that version before. Happy birthday to you.
I like his flea, his little pants. All the little things, like the people just walk up and pull on them. I don't know. Interesting though.
Bro, how's your day been so far?
I got the high note. Go ahead, birthday guy.
Oh, I know it kicked it off with me on live.
Yeah, it was good last night. I woke up, I talked to my friends this morning. They didn't really stress me about playing the game, so that was great.
Okay. Thoughtful.
Chick-fil-A. Always Chick-fil-A is always good.
Did you do mimosas?
No, I didn't get to do the mimosas. I went because I had to go meet the videographer to take pictures. So I took my birthday pics, which I'm about to upload right now. So
okay.
If y'all seeing this, by the time...
Have y'all seen the birthday pics? If not, here they go.
Upload, go like that.
Cool.
Took shots over there. They got me lit.
Really? You're lit right now?
Yeah, they had me.
But the night's not over because we didn't even get to the royal house.
Yeah, but they got me like three shots in. But I'm just getting started. Like, my day's not even going.
All right.
I'm good.
I see you brought...
Yeah, I brought my personal friend with me.
You brought your amigos.
Been riding shotgun all day.
For you. So listen, I want to do a couple things because I got to get ready so we could go to Royal Family and celebrate your birthday, right? First, let's take a shot together.
Oh, so you're about to put me...
Yeah, have fun, but yeah, can somebody else drive? Like, get a lift or something. Just saying.
Okay.
Yes. It's a little something. You need a cup?
Yo, what do you think about my caption? Look at this. Look, this is really from the heart. So y'all gotta feel me right here. Look, that's it, right? 28. Every year I write a long-ass caption. I try to think of some cool shit to say. But I'm loved, not perfect, and working on myself every day. When I look in the mirror, I can stand and look at myself, my family healthy, and money's always around the corner. Thank you for all the love y'all give me. I can't complain.
Aw, man. He's just way too sweet. You see, he did a little rap rhyme verse type deal. But he also was very thankful and humble for all the love he's getting. So I'm glad he's coming into his own. Congratulations, Mod. And happy birthday.
That's a good caption right there.
From the heart right there.
Nah, that is from the heart.
That's from the heart right there.
That's right. You need a cup?
Tear up reading it out loud.
Nah, don't tear up. Don't tear up.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie. The liquor has...
Emotional.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I had to conversation with my mother today. Almost cried. I'm like, yo, am I getting emotional at my old age?
Yes, age, bro.
Yo, like, I'm getting sentimental.
It's okay, bro. You're in touch with your feminine side.
Why is that?
That's not necessarily true. It's just everybody cry, you know. And he knows firsthand what he's gone through, you know. And so when you get a certain age, and yes, he's not old. 28 is not old, people. But when you get a certain age, you have enough room to look back and be like, okay, when I was 21, I was here. When I was 15, I was there. I grew up here, you know. And so looking back on your life is going to make anybody emotional. But just had to put that in.
I'm not putting that much.
You don't put that much because you got a long...
Yeah, brothers. I haven't even seen your brother yesterday.
Listen.
He's water.
This is for you. You've been loyal from the start. You're a great guy.
Another year around the sun with the game.
You got no envy in your heart.
Pure.
You want the best for everybody.
Yeah.
You hold it down. 10 toes all the time. I just want to let you know I appreciate you. And I love you, bro. And that's sincere, you know what I'm saying? That's real sincere right there.
Thank you,
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. Thank you.
To you.
That's sweet. You know, he really has been with everybody. He's a good guy as far as I know. But, you know, I like how they have their bond. So, yep, that's very nicely. Thanks for the toast.
My to God. Okay. You alright? He's alright.
I'm just getting started.
So I got 2 more things to do. Then I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna take this party over to the royal house. A little hot in here.
Yeah, change the temperature.
Second thing I want to do is, when we was on live yesterday, whoever missed out, I said, whatever's in your Cash App until the end of your birthday, 11:59, I will match it. Can we get an update? Can we get a progress?
They can see it from here.
So, huh?
176, 3 hours left.
You got like 3 hours left. Send my boy Cash App. Don't get too crazy because
She got it. Send me 10.
She said, I'm not trying to move. Don't get crazy. Don't be putting no triple digits, a couple K's in there. Like, no. We just gonna keep it like basic. Like, love him, but don't kill her. He's like, hold on, what did I just say? What did I do? She's going to give him the keys to her house in a minute. Okay.
Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
She got it over there.
All right. So the last thing I want to do before I get ready and we leave to the royal family house is I bought you a gift. That's why I wasn't here ready when you got here. I had to like. So I spent all day thinking about. You know, I like to go thoughtful more than anything. So I just hope that this is something that you need and like, cause I'm a little nervous, bro. I'm just a little nervous to give it to you.
Where are you going?
So it's in my car. So we're gonna take a trip downstairs, cause I ain't want you to
you didn't want to
see.
make it high.
Yeah, I didn't want to make it high. So we gotta go downstairs. So I just hope you.
Always up to something.
I just hope you like it, bro. That's all I'm saying. Like,
I'm not really a birthday.
nah, no, that's.
I'd rather just hang out with you guys.
Nah, I feel you, bro, but you deserve it. You know what I'm saying? Like.
That's nice. But you know what? I think for people like him, you know, he's not going to want her to give it in front of everybody and make a big deal. So she's just like, hey, like, here you go, handing it off. It's your day. Take it, open it tomorrow if you want, whatever. But I think, you know, one-on-one personal is good for people like that.
I just hope you like it, bro. If you don't, act like it. Right.
For real, I can't stand giving people gifts and then they be like, Like, I mean, sometimes you get bad gifts, but, you know, you just roll with it because it came from their heart. They actually spent hard-earned money on it or whatever. So, I mean, don't be rude.
So maybe you should turn around.
All right, you go. All right, I'm here. All right, it's on me. Pop it up.
No, turn around.
Yeah,
Alright, so we pop in the trunk on this bad boy. Wait, no, stay right there still.
All right, guys. I have no clue what Lee has up her sleeve
I
today.
really hope you like it, bro.
I have no clue what Lee has up her sleeve today.
Okay, so before you turn around, let me just tell you this. Let me tell the people. I know you have your home studio now, so you can record, right?
Yeah.
I don't really know shit about shit when it comes to this equipment shit, but think you went like expensive on the mic. So
would have never even went too much.
How much too much?
I was thinking like, what could somebody get me out of here?
So let me tell you the story. The guy told me. He said Newman 87 is the best mic there is. It's $3,500.
Yeah, that's right. I know that.
The co-owner of Newman broke off and made Warm Audio. He put the technology that he made for Newman, the Newman 87, he put it in this mic right here.
Oh my God. And it comes in a special mic case. Oh my gosh. Yo, Lee. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Oh, that's so nice. You know, that's the response you want. You know, first he didn't know what to say. You know, she gave him a couple minutes while she explained it to us, because I sure didn't know that. And then, you know, now he's just, oh my gosh. You know, now he's going to really get emotional. Y'all think he's going to cry? That's okay if you do, but y'all just comment below.
God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So I don't know what mic you have, bro, but I'm hoping.
Oh my God. This is, oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Wow.
So is it good? Did I do good?
Yo, wow, Lee, I'm speechless right now. Yo, I'm speechless right now. Like, I'm
So happy. That's very nice. See, good job, Lee.
really speechless. Oh my goodness, Lee. Wow, I'm really speechless. Wow. Wow. You know why? These are the type of gifts I really appreciate. Like, stuff that go towards, like,
Your music, bro. You love your music.
Yeah, wow. Wow, Lee. Wow. 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 Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, today everybody has me emotional.
It took him 14 wows before he got to say something. Aw, you deserve it, Mod.
I gotta stop drinking.
It's the Migos that has you emotional.
Yeah, I'm emotional right now.
So let's see what Queen and Claire gonna get him. If it's gonna match his emotion. Y'all count the wows when he get there. You think they're gonna have his gift ready, or he gonna get something later?
Yeah, like I'm 2 seconds away. Like it's taking a lot for me. Got to shed a tear right now.
Bro, just keep laughing. Just keep laughing. Keep the glasses on.
Wow. 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 Wow.
I think I did good. I was nervous because, you know, he has his own setup. I didn't know what type of mic he had. I don't really understand all of it. I just...
Wow. 100 freestyles coming.
I think he's just gonna take that whole thing over to Queen now, because I don't think he went apart from it. He gonna hold it just like a little baby.
He gonna sound great.
Oh, yeah. Freestyles is coming for the gram. Oh my God, this takes it to a whole another level.
A whole nother
Like, I don't
level.
even have to do much. I used to record on a Newman in Buffalo. I haven't been able to record on that since years ago. Like, my mic base isn't even as big. Like, the palette to catch my voice isn't even as big. Like, thank you, Lee.
No problem, bro. Listen out for new music by Mod. Let me know if you hear a difference. Best gift for me was to give you something for your passion, what you love. If there's any one thing this kid don't play about, it's his music. So never give up, bro. We gonna figure it out. The world's gonna catch up one day.
Y'all never give up either. That's good advice. Inspiration from Lee. Never give up. It's gonna work out. And the world's gonna catch up to your talent and gifts one day soon. Alright? If they have not already. Some of y'all shining already. Okay, let's go.
And when they do, I'll be crying. You don't have to cry.
I'm gonna cry that day, too.
Oh, okay.
Right now, I'm really close.
All right, guys, we can't show that. All right, let's keep it all the way. Stay tuned. We're going to the royal family house. I'm gonna get ready, and we'll be back.
YouTube, what's good? Welcome to POTL. I am smacked currently. What did I do today? I woke up this morning. I had a great conversation with my friends Clarence and Brim. You know, sometimes they want to play the game, and I just want to talk to my friends. I feel like sometimes I learn more and have way more of an enjoyable time for me personally when I'm just talking to my friends on the phone. So today, they didn't force me to get on the game. You know, they just talked, you know, and I enjoyed the start of our morning. My night started off with a live with Lee for 2 hours. We stayed on live for 2 hours. Y'all don't even get Lee on 2 hours on live for 2 hours, so you know it had to be my birthday. Got Lee on live for 2 hours. I took some great pictures. They're on my gram right now. Go like those. And now,
y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video. If y'all want more P.O. and T.O., let us know.
now we're going to Put Shack. You know, Put Shack's a little TikTok spot I found on TikTok where they got mini golfing and it's a bar. And my friend that actually took my pictures today went yesterday and she said the food is amazing. So it's a lot involved. It's a lot about to go down. The day's just starting. I'm about 5 shots in. I got the Casamigos in the trunk of Lee's car right now. I got the Zaza on me. Tina Turner is in my pouch. Yeah, I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching me. I know I just entertained y'all for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and I'm just grateful that y'all sit here and watch me for 1 minute and 30 seconds be smacked with y'all. You feel me? Life could be way harder, Mo. You know, I used to...
Yeah, and thank y'all for spending time with us, too. We appreciate it. But, yeah, of course we're going to spend time with you on your birthday, bruh. I mean, come on. But he got it planned out, y'all. He gonna enjoy this birthday. He may not remember it, but he gonna enjoy it. And that's why he recording, okay? Yes.
I used to have a lot of jobs. I used to walk 2 miles in the snow to my job. You feel me?
Y'all Northern Petty fam, comment below if you know all about all that snow.
So now I'm thankful that I could just sit here on my birthday and talk to y'all and, you know, get my life done. So appreciate y'all, and P.O. and T.O. It's just getting started. We about to turn up. I know we ain't never turned up before, but we about to turn up.
Ow, we here for it. Petty fam said happy birthday. Petty Actions loves y'all. Said happy birthday to my...
I'm 28. I'm holding lead of way more responsibilities on this channel. Other than that, it's your boy. And guess what we're in? Hold on, before we leave. You see the lights. Yes, why does it look like we're driving in a PS5? Because we are. It's your boy.
What's up, YouTube? We're here waiting for the royal family. The brother getting right, you know what I'm saying? I really hope he enjoyed his day, you know what I'm saying? I never golfed before, but you know, it's the first time for everything. No matter what we do, though, nah, in my life.
Oh, I love this is something like me and my dad.
You do that?
No, we do this in my family.
All right, well, regardless.
Because it's like a dad and two son thing, you know, but like as a kid, my dad used to boss our ass in mini golf. Like, they get serious, like arguing, crying, complaining, throwing joints.
Well, you know.
Kicking niggas' balls because it's like, fuck out of here.
Super competitive. Don't play with him and his dad and his brother, because you actually might get beat and hurt, or beat for real. Competitive. Ooh, I don't know if that worked for me. I'm a sore loser. All right.
But you know, no matter what, you know us for our competitive.
Yeah,
regardless. It don't matter.
It's my birthday. There's no way I'm losing today.
It could be croquette.
No, it's my birthday. There's no
Bro,
way.
nobody cares if it's your birthday when it comes to the competition. I care about your birthday.
Yeah, see, he should have known, because I'm sure it went down like that in his house from what he just said. The whites are gonna get you today.
That's why, you know what I'm saying, we treating you special today. But when it comes to competition, nobody care about that. We about to do this TikTok, bro, before they come.
What we doing?
Let's do it. I got the perfect one. Stay tuned for the TikTok. Royal family just arrived.
Up in him. Okay, let him shine a little bit on your channel on his birthday. All right, we like the fit.
How old you turn today? 28. So you know you pushing 40, right? So here's the thing.
She's just gonna skip all over 30. She said you pushing 40.
Sorry, not 40, 30. Listen, yeah, babe. What, did we have to talk at home?
What?
Please Time to settle down, brother.
I mean, you got him a joint, Queen. Is that his birthday gift? You found him Mrs. Right. Okay. I see you, girl.
Why y'all
Whole conversation.
Specifically find you a girl in here tonight.
There's no number or none, right?
We don't
They gonna laugh to find him a girl tonight. You think it worked, y'all? Did y'all hear something? Let us know.
Because it's your birthday, we figured, you know, you turning what, you 28? Yeah. Pushing 30, bro. It's time to find a girl. What's up? Yeah, I see with your camera too.
I see you with your camera.
What is that in the back?
What?
Yeah.
What was that way in
We're
the
about to
back?
have
That
mad
car?
fun. You guys know we're about to have mad fun.
Are we? I don't even know what this is.
This is what.
He thinks he's gonna win though. That's the problem I'm having.
Anything I do, I win.
Lee.
What?
Lee, you said you never played.
But I'm competitive. It just comes to me. You know, you're an athlete. You know what I'm saying?
You never played mini golf in your life?
It don't matter.
You played mini golf before, Queen?
Okay, so was Leah athlete? I mean, is that what she trying to tell us? Or was like Mod an athlete? I know Claire was. And I don't think Queen did that. But if y'all know about Leah and Mod, let us know.
Top golf. Is that included?
Claire, you played mini golf before?
Well, I suck at any.
You alright?
No,
That's what I'm saying. That's how we feel.
Lee, you shouldn't feel like that.
It don't matter. I ain't even do it. I'm talking confident. That's just how I feel.
That's confidence that's come from playing before. You're just.
No, I have confidence even if I never play. He would have still answered the same even if he never played. That's how much you know him.
Don't run into the truck, y'all.
It don't matter. Exactly. So that's how I feel too. We're related.
Boy, some wild man. You're 27 to a 28-year-old. With your mouth.
Successful, I'm happy, but still it's stressful. I want love, but most of these women ain't on my level. No, I'm chosen. Feel like how I'm living, supposed to be special. Wrist frozen with chocolate faces inside the. Show 'em charity. I be best diamonds for the teens. All my verses come from.
Been there. That looks fun. If you like mini golf, what's up? Oh, wow.
Queen completely cheated, and I'm gonna put the edit so you can see how she was rolling the ball. She didn't hit the ball. She didn't let it.
New York. A bull. Queen got disqualified. Oh my gosh. Then Claire won. Okay. Guess it's some think about the athletic thing in competition.
Stop rolling. She cheated.
I'm sorry.
Bro. Did she not cheat, bro? Did she not cheat,
We
bro?
know D cheated.
And I'm gonna insert the edits right now to show you how she cheated.
Nah, you cheated OD.
Bro, so it's the end of the night.
She playing swipe the ball in. She said, I'm not going to lose. Get in there.
It's 2:31 in the morning. I have to work out in the morning, but did you enjoy your day, bro?
I'm really excited to wake up and use my mic too. That's what I'm really most excited. Like, that's what I'm looking forward to.
Do you want to tell them how you did a cartwheel and broke your phone and scratched your hand?
Yeah, I did a cartwheel tonight, guys. I broke the back of my phone. I was just enjoying being a little lit, but it's just the back. And I cut my hand because I forgot that when you do a cartwheel, you need two hands. So the hand that had the phone in it kind of scraped against the floor to keep me up, but it's 28.
Way to start it off.
28, man.
So, thank you for tuning in to TOPO video. Just follow him out on his birthday. MOD. How much is in your Cash App, bro?
My Cash App ended the whopping day.
Yep.
$183. $183 whopping.
$183. You want to tell him thank you?
Thank you to everybody who sent Cash App today. And then, you know, this was done by a lot of dollars. Like a lot of little $1, $2. So like
There was something.
yeah, everybody who added up together got
what I'm saying.
183 day.
You know what I'm saying?
Other than that, I'm about to go smoke a blunt.
I know what else he's gonna do, but we're gonna end this vlog on that.
Shout out P.O. Queen and Clarence.
All right. Happy birthday, Mom. Hope you enjoyed it. Y'all take care. Like, comment, subscribe.